Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is days number 46 through 48. If you would, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time I do upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Get my mic adjusted. I'm going to start off by saying Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Happy Juneteenth as well. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm doing a ClickBank series where I'm taking ClickBank products and I'm promoting it with a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. And what My Lead Gen Secret is, let me see. Excuse me. It's a platform where you could buy 100 leads a day for just $1 a day. In the case studies that I have seen doing this, I've seen people using 5 accounts to 7 accounts. I'm only using 2 accounts. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to log in real quick. And I'm going to show you how to sign up these accounts. I'm going to sign up to my first account. To sign up to your first account, there's a link right underneath here that says My Lead Gen Secret. Click on it, you'll be taken to a page. It looks different than this, but it will be your sign up page. Get signed up. After you sign up your first account, each account you sign up, there is a $30 fee. So if you're signing up 2 accounts, that's $60. And it's a one-time fee that you have to pay. Then after that, it's $1 a day. So each account you sign up, there is a $30 fee. I'm doing this with 2 accounts. So what you're going to do is, after you sign up from the link underneath, you're not going to sign up your other account. What you're going to do is you're going to log into the account you just made. I'm going to log in. All right. Now, once you log in, this is how you sign up your second account. You're going to take this link right here. This is your affiliate link. You're going to copy that. And you're going to paste it into a new tab. And then you're going to click on Use My Secret Now. And you're going to sign up that way. You're going to have to fill out your email and some other information. That's what that does is, if I come back over here, I get 100 bonus leads every single day because I signed up my second account underneath my first account. So now my first account gets 200 leads every single day. And my second account still gets 100. So that's 300 leads every single day for $2. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using 2 accounts to do this. I recommend at least 2 accounts. Don't do this with just 1 account. Have at least 2 accounts. And the purpose of doing this is we're building up this email list for like years to come. So whenever you're first starting out with the 100 leads, 200 leads, 300 leads, you're not going to get too many sales starting off. So just be patient. Think about building this list for at least 5 months. And then after 5 months, you'll start seeing some better results. But you'll see sales way before 5 months. I'm just saying, just think about building your list for 5 months. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sign in. I'm just going to click on mailing system right here. I'm going to click select all. All right. I'm going to come back to ClickBank and I'm going to get signed in on my ClickBank so I can get my stats. All right. So let me check my stats real quick. The 17th, I forgot. I know I didn't get a sale, but I forgot to write down how many hots. Yesterday, I didn't send out any emails or nothing. I had a very long day. Mute my phone real quick. I didn't even get to send emails out yesterday, so that's me slacking, y'all. Nah, I really had a busy day. I really worked my other jobs. I'm a karaoke DJ. I have all kinds of other stuff playing yesterday. I didn't even get home till like 4 in the morning. All right, so I'm checking my stats. No sales. Still got the 1. Let me show y'all what I did. I just clicked on my account nickname. So you have to create you an account nickname if you don't have one already. So I'm going to click on account nickname. I'm going to click on reporting. And this is going to give me my hops number, 5960. Actually, this should be the question mark right here. And this should be 5960. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm just going to click on my tracking IDs real quick. I don't know why, because I'm not even using a tracking ID for this product we're promoting right now. So I'm just going to click up here on Marketplace. I forgot that Presentar don't have a way to track it. I tried it and the link didn't work. So after you click on Marketplace, it's going to give you all kinds of categories over here on the far left. The only category that these leads from my lead gen secret work for is the e-business and e-marketing category. These leads are people that are trying to make money online, so they will not fall in any of these other categories except for e-business and e-marketing. I erase that. There we go. All right, so click on e-business and e-marketing. This is the product we're promoting right here. Usually I would sort by gravity. And there it is. It's the second one. So I'm just going to, let me see if y'all can see that. Click on where it says affiliate page. And it's going to pop up this new window. I got to give this web page a minute to load up. There's something about this website. Likes to take its little precious time. Well, that's loading. Might as well get a drink of my Mountain Dew. Can't stand this site, how long it takes to load. Well, it's obvious they don't want me promoting their product with their slow web page. So guess what? I'm done promoting that product. So now I'm going to go down to the live chat jobs. Yes, y'all heard me right. I'm done promoting that product. If this page is going to take all day to load, I ain't got all day to be waiting for it. Here's how a page is supposed to load when you click on it. So I'm going to promote social sales rep. So this is the one I clicked on. It's the one that says live chat jobs. So I clicked on the affiliate page for the one that says live chat jobs. I think we've already used all these email swipes. Yep. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull up, let's see here. My Google Docs, because I got some emails saved here. And my little email swipes right here. I'm going to grab one of these emails and use one of these. Sorry, I'm scratching my foot. I'm trying to see if these emails even tie in with what we're selling first. You don't want to send them emails that don't even tie in with anything that you're selling. I don't want to use their emails because I've already used them. I'll come back and use them again later, but not this soon. I just promoted this product not too long ago. That's why I'm trying to find other emails to use. And don't worry, I'll give you all, there's going to be a link to these emails, these email swipes down below. I'll give you all a list of these email swipes down below. So don't worry about that. So you all can use these emails as well. All right, let's use email swipe number 3. I like that one. All right, so I'm going to come back to my mailing system. I'm going to click select all to make sure all my leads are selected. As you can see, I done built this lead up this list up to where I got 37,200 leads. And so for the subject, I already got it copied, so I'm going to paste it right there. Then I'm going to scroll down to the body, hit Control A to select all, and then delete everything that's in that box. I'm going to come back to my swipes. I'm going to get the subject. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to bring it over here and hit paste. I'm going to hit Control A, select all. I'm going to change the font to Arial. All right. So where it says signature, change that to your name. Make sure this perfect timing box is checked. And now we need to go insert our link. So I'm going to go back to the very first tab, the Marketplace tab. And this is the product we're promoting. So I'm going to click on Promote. Make sure your account nickname is there. Tracking ID. Hold up, this is the last one we promoted, I think. I'm going to go back to this top one, the get paid to use Facebook and YouTube. Because before this one, I'm pretty sure we did this one. Or did we do that one? I really can't remember. But you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and use this one right here at the top. This one's probably my favorite anyways, the social media marketing. So I'm just going to hit on promote. The same email is going to work. So all we have to do now is just insert the link. So that's what I'm doing now, is just getting a link to insert in that email that I wrote. I could choose any of these products if I want to. I'm just going to choose this first one. I'm going to hit promote. We're doing the get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. The account nickname is Ibwazir. The tracking ID, since I'm using My Lead Gen Secrets, I'm going to put MLGS. That stands for My Lead Gen Secret. Then I'm going to click on Create Hop Link. And this is your link, your affiliate link. Now you can right click it and copy it, or you can hit this button on the far right. My video is kind of covering up, you can barely see it. You hit that and it'll tell you your hop link is copied. Now come back to the email, or you can make a decision right here, right now, and change things for the better. Highlight that sentence right there. Then we're going to come up to this little link button, click on it, then enter the URL you just copied. And click OK. We can erase this. And that's it. Now you can click on preview. There's a button that says preview right next to the send. Click on it, make sure the link works. All right, and the link works. So we can close it and send our email out. And I forgot to mention earlier, I'm about to sign into my second account, but if you're going to sign up more than 2 accounts, if you're going to sign up your third account, be sure to use your second account's affiliate link, so your second account will get 200 bonus or 100 bonus leads, and they'll start getting 200 leads every single day, and continue to do that process. So you'll sign up your fourth account underneath your third account's link, and your fifth account you'll sign up under your fourth account's link, and so on and so on. So I'm not going to sign out just yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll up to the top, and I'm going to right click on here where it says mailing system, and I'm going to duplicate this tab. Once this tab is duplicated, I'm going to click on account and then log out. If you don't see this bar right here, because sometimes it does disappear, just click right up here where it says My Lead Gen Secret, and it'll pop up. As you can see, this link just popped up. Now you can log out. Click on account, then log out. And now all we're going to do is just log right back in. But this time I'm logging in with my second account. All right, we're going to repeat the process. We're going to click on mailing system, select all, scroll down to the subject. Now we could just come back to the first tab and get our subject line. So I clicked up here on our first tab, and I'm going to copy the subject. I'm going to come back to the second tab, paste it, come down, hit Control A to select all, then delete. I'm going to come back to the first tab, hit Control A to select all, then Control C to copy. Then I'm going to come back to the second tab and hit Control V in this box to paste. All right, so I'm gonna, why in the hell did that email look like that? Let's try this again. Copy, paste. That is weird. It ain't never done that. That's okay. We'll just go ahead and make this look like there. I'm gonna leave that right there. All right, go getter. I'm just making this email look just like that one, so it should have copied it the way I had it, but I don't know why it didn't. So I'm gonna hit perfect timing. And now what I'm going to do is, if you're tracking this, I'm going to double click on this blue link right here. And at the end, I'm just going to put a number 2. Since this is my second account, I'm just going to put a number 2 at the end. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click preview. Make sure the link works. It works. So I'm going to close this out. And I can hit send email. And with this program, you can only email these lists once a day. So once every 23 hours. So if it's 6 o'clock now, I can send another email at 5 o'clock tomorrow. If that makes sense. All right, and that's that. That's how simple it is to use this program. It only takes a couple of minutes a day to use. So go ahead, hit that link, get signed up, and get started building your email list. And thank you all for tuning in. You all have a good day, and you all take care. Once again, happy Father's Day to everybody. Happy Juneteenth, and you all be safe out there. Enjoy your weekend.